Today we're exploring Menton. Right now I'm at the garden at Carnol, which has the largest collection of citrus plants in whole Europe. Menton is actually famous for growing the best lemons, and that is due to its mild climate and many hours of sunshine. Okay, so I found this ramp under this skate park, which is literally the only place that has no crowds and shadow. Great, so let's talk a bit more about Menton. After our garden visit, I went to Basilique Saint-Michel, this yellow bell tower which was built more than 370 years ago in the 18th century. And that was a very popular place. There were so many people. Menton is a place missed by many travelers staying in Nice. Menton is located on the French-Italy border. It is the first French town after the Italian border and easternmost French town on the Côte d'Azur. Menton is best known for its colorful houses, beaches and annual lemon festival. It does quite resemble Cinque Terre, so let's do a comparison here for a second. So the most obvious one is the pastel colored houses, which are quite similar, I would say, after traveling to both towns. I feel like you can definitely see the Italian influences here, but there obviously aren't as many stairs and there is a lot more traffic here in Menton. Okay, quick history lesson on Menton. Menton's history goes back to the 12th century, when it was owned by the Genoese Vento family. In 1346, Charles Grimaldi took over Menton, linking it to Monaco. In 1848, Menton became independent from Monaco and came under the protection of Sardinia. By 1860, it became part of France under Napoleon III. It was also then it joined the Alpes-Maritimes department. Menton is also called the Pearl of France because of its beauty and mild climate. Because of its location, pretty much between the mountains and the sea, Menton supposedly has the most hours of sunshine in all France. It has a really unique microclimate and therefore is known for growing the best lemons. I hope you enjoyed this video about Menton. If you want to see more about the Côte d'Azur, check out this video right here.